In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Gumroad, providing you with the ultimate Gumroad tutorial and strategies. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to sell your first ebook, an artist showcasing your digital art, or a musician offering your latest tracks, Gumroad can be a perfect solution for you. So let's dive into the straightforward process of getting started with selling your digital products on Gumroad. First, head over to the Gumroad website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in, so go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have a Gumroad account, now would be the perfect time to create one. However, for those of you who already have an account, you'll proceed to log in. You can conveniently log in using your Google account. Click on the option to log in with Google and select the appropriate account if you have multiple ones. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Products. Click on that to begin setting up your new digital product. Once in the product section, look for the new product button and click on it. This is where you'll start the process of introducing your new digital offering to potential customers. Next, you'll be prompted to name your product. Choose a descriptive and enticing name that clearly conveys what your product is about. Make sure to select digital product as the type of product you're selling. Gumroad provides the option to select the currency you want your product to be sold in. So select the one that best suits your target market and set a competitive price. When you're ready, click Next Customize to proceed to the customization phase. Here, you have the opportunity to add a detailed description of your product, highlighting key features and benefits that would appeal to your audience. You can also create a unique URL for your product page, ensuring it's easy to share and remember. To make your product page visually appealing, click on Upload Images or Videos to add a compelling cover image or promotional video. This step is essential as visuals can greatly influence a customer's decision to buy. Don't forget to add additional product information as needed, such as specifications or instructions. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click on Save and Continue. In the next section, you can upload the actual content or files that your customers will receive when they purchase your product. Whether it's a PDF, audio file, or any other digital format, make sure it's clearly labeled and easy to download for your buyers. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, click on Publish and Continue to make your digital product available for sale. Your product is now live, and you are officially set up to start selling on Gumroad. With these simple steps, you're now ready to launch and grow your digital sales using Gumroad. Keep in mind the importance of promoting your products through social media, email marketing, or any other channels where your target audience is active to boost your sales. Thank you for watching and happy selling.